Hey lovely people, today I am going to show you how to crochet a stunning gajra in a clear and detailed way. It's fun, relaxing. We have started with stem of the flower. So first I will make a slip knot while leaving long tail. Here you can see the long tail hanging. Now I will start making chains. Turn the tail on the hook, then make a chain like this. Again, turn the tail on the hook, then make a chain like this. Turn the tail on the hook, then make the chain like this. Again, turn the tail on the hook, then make the chain like this. Again, turn the tail on the hook and make chain like this. Now we can tie the chain. In this way, we have completed. Look, I have made 5 chains. Now I am going to make the flower. First I will start with a slip knot. Here the slip knot is made. Now what I will do is to join the green chain to the slip knot. That is, I am joining the green chain to the slip knot. For this, I will first turn the green chain's tail on the hook, then I will make the one chain. See here, I am turning the green chain's tail on the hook like this. It has been turned. Now make one chain. Like this. Now I will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will make the puff stitch like this. I have made 2 puff stitches. Now I will make 3 chain and join the chain's tail to the puff stitch tail like this. I am joining the chain's tail to the puff stitch tail. It has been joined like this. Now again make 3 chains. Make double crochet in the 3rd chain. Now again make 3 chains. Join 3rd chain in petal like this. 2 petals are done. I have made 2 petals. In this way, we will make more petals of the flower.